Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and to my regular viewers, welcome back. It's nice to see you guys. Today's video is all over the place. I just was not motivated to do anything, and then I was like, let me just get up and deep clean some spot, not everything, but just just to get in the mood of deep cleaning. My vanity was just a hot mess, and I was just over it. I was tired of it looking like that, and I just told my brain, let's do it. And I did it, and I was proud of myself. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys listen to the music. I found some really nice music for you guys. It took me about 2 hours to find these music, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit.
The way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason.
I have not packed a purse in forever.
I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you move, the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing.
This guy won't be in here.
I'm still falling for you.
I love to create mess when I clean. So clean that space, that little corner right there. Now I gotta make it to the nightstand and strip the bed. And then this is where I'm piling up everything. So I have to figure out where all of this stuff is going. That's dirty clothes. So forth. Okay, so I have to figure out where all of this is going. I don't have a space for any of this, so I'm gonna have to get off camera and figure out where it's gonna go.
The way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over.
Okay, guys, so it's a little bit overcast, and this is like the best lighting situation in my closet. It's not a little overcast, it's way overcast. I have to take my braids down. They're a hot mess, but we're not gonna do that today because I have to get this video up to you guys tomorrow, and then start on Friday's video. I don't know when I'm gonna get my hair taken out, but yeah. It's 9 o'clock, so at 9 o'clock every single day I have to stop and fill up my, hold on. Okay, so at 9 o'clock I have to stop and fill this bad boy up. And then I drink this. I sip on this until around 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, I fill it up again. And then I try to get at least 3 of these in my body. Not the tumbler, but I try to get at least 3 of these full of water throughout the day, because I'm really bad at drinking water. So I flavor mines with this energy sugar-free situation, because currently right now I'm doing lazy keto. So I fill this up with water, and then I take my vitamins, and then I take my iron pill because I have surgery coming up in a few weeks. So I have to prep my body to undergo surgery in a few weeks. At 12 o'clock, I start eating. So let's just get downstairs and I'll show you guys what I do, like my morning routine, if you guys are interested.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. change.
Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. This is the peach mango. I'm gonna put one in here. Okay, so this is my first time trying this one. I had the pomegranate one and I like that, but I didn't have that one yesterday, so I was like, let me try the peach mango. I am not a fan of peach. I love mango, but I'm not a fan of peach, so we shall see what this tastes like. And then it's okay. It's okay. I like the pomegranate one better. And this one, and then I'm just gonna take my vitamin. So I'm just gonna do 1 iron. And then my multivitamin. I take these fish oil, but I'll take those later. Now I'm gonna press my detox tea. So I do. Hold on. Let me show y'all. I do this and this one together. So I'm gonna do that and then get back to the cleaning. To sweeten it, this is what I put to sweeten my tea.
Promise you we will be alright if it's you.
This is so good. I love that sweetener right there. I don't know if I'm gonna throw the downstairs. It's a hot mess. I don't know if I'm gonna throw it in today's video. I'm just lazy. Okay. I've been procrastinating all day. I have this pile of clothes right here that I have to put away before my husband gets home. And I also need to put our sheets in the wash and then just clean the house, like have it straightened up before he gets home. I leave for the gym at 1:45, so 11, no, it's not 11, so 12, 1. I have 2 hours and 45 minutes to get at most. I need to get this stuff right here picked up. So I'm gonna strip the bed. I'm gonna stop with the deep clean situation and strip our bed of the sheets that are on there and get those in the wash and get them dried and put back. No, I'm gonna put a new set on the bed because Rob likes the set that's on there. Like, it's really snug, it doesn't go anywhere. He likes that set, but in the interest of time, I'm just gonna go put a new set on there. We own all white sheets, nothing else. So I'm gonna put a new set of white sheets on there and then fold these laundry right here and figure out this mess that I've created around me and just get the downstairs tidied up. And then I don't know, let's do it.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright.
So I was very ambitious, and I don't know, but almost done with this one. I haven't put a load in to wash, and those are still there. It's 11:50, and I need to start prepping my meal so I can eat, because I don't like to go past 18 hours of fasting. That's just way too much for my body. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep something to eat. I probably make a little truffle situation with eggs and some Greek yogurt with chia seed. That's what I had yesterday, and that was so filling. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Here comes my dog. So I have to hide the light. I have really horrible light. So this is my second cup, and then I'm just gonna put this one in here. This is the electrolyte one because I find that I am like extremely dehydrated. My dog follows me everywhere I go, and I cannot drink plain water. So my water has to be flavored. Every single cup has to be flavored, but the last cup, the third cup, I do a protein. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. So for the third one, I do this protein powder right here. It's really clear. Once you mix it up, it's clear. And I drink that while I go to the gym or after I'm finished with the gym. So that's how I do all three of my waters, because I can't drink plain water. I just can't. And if I don't do it like this, I won't drink water at all. I'll go the entire day without drinking water. Okay, all right. Okay, so I made this keto situation yesterday, and I want to see if it firmed up. So this is the consistency. It's like a fluff. And then I put chocolate chip in there. This is so good. I'm gonna have this for dessert later. It's so good. All it is this Cool Whip, the sugar-free Cool Whip, sugar-free pistachio jello pudding, and half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I put 2 tablespoons of Lily's caramel sugar-free chocolate chip. It is so good. But I find that I think I'm allergic to the pistachio because of my tongue. But I'm gonna finish this because it's so good. But I just wanted to make sure that it was firmed up, because I think I'm gonna have some of this for dessert later. Okay, so I'm gonna make this keto pancake. So warming this little griddle situation, and then I put some avocado oil, and then this is the mixture mixed up. It says it makes about 4 pancakes. That's the nutrition right there. 2. No, it makes 2. I went ahead and added a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then I'm gonna pour that mixture in here. Okay, so I made Ugh. My life. Welcome to my life. So I made 2 of them. There's an egg, and then I made homemade pico de gallo, but I put cucumber on it, and I'm just gonna go devour this. I had to let my dog out. It's 1:52, and I should have been at the gym at 1:45. Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on, boy! Good boy. I'm probably only gonna get 45 minutes. Got my gloves because I lost the other one. Light! And okay, so like I was saying, probably only gonna get 45 minutes. Whoops. 45 minutes. I have to clean out my truck. It's a hot mess, but I practically live in this truck. Whew. All right, I gotta go, guys. All done. The power went out while I was working out, so I was gonna take a footage, the calories burned and how far I walked, but the power went out. Bummer. So it's 3:01, and I'm gonna go pick up my babies. They get out of school at 3:15, so I'm gonna go pick them up.
No doubts, just living on